Just a minute, I'll just switch off the fan because look at my kurti. Hi guys, what's up? How are you all? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mitali, you're about Mitali, and I'm back again with another haul video. In today's video, you are going to see such tops. I'm already wearing one. This is quite cute. I like the color. I'm going to review it soon. So let's start the video. Okay, so this is the first one, as I was saying, and this is so cute. This is a mid-length kind of a thing. Wait, let me just show it to you. Look at the neck and the detailing. I love the neck. I love the material, and this is how it looks. It's so cute. I believe that if you are shorter, in case you are shorter, it's going to be little long for you, but for me it's perfect and I like it. Even my mother likes it, so I think this one I'm gonna keep it. You can see the sleeves. I like it. It's giving me a rich, subtle feeling after wearing this. Okay guys, so this is the another top. It's kind of a tunic, but you can call it a top. It's very nice. The material seems to be cotton, and it's very thin. It is very thin, but it has astar. Can you see astar? It has astar, but still, if you don't prefer it, then I won't suggest it for you. But I kind of liked it. It is good for summer. And yeah, it looks cute on the jeans. Wait, let me show it to you. It looks cute. Look at it. It looks so cute with the jeans. And I like the sleeves as well, and the neck detailing. It's basically embroidery, and you can see the neck, how it looks. It's pretty cute. So yeah, this is also cute, and I might keep this one. It is simple and simple from behind. There's no much of a dory or work or anything, and I like this one. It goes with like pants. It can go with pants. It can go with jeans, dark jeans or light jeans. I would prefer darker one. So this is a thumbs up from me. Let's check another one. By the way, I have not worn this. I just opened the packages and I'm trying it right now. So this is a first time trial for me as well. And I like this one and the earlier one, the green and the blue one. I like that. Okay guys, so this is yet another tunic, because I am wearing it under a jeans, and it is this short, so I would prefer it with a jeans. And you can see the work. This is printed, by the way. Okay, so this is the last piece, unfortunately, but this is again a very cute tunic. This is similar to the one which I wore in the white and red, green and blue and white. So again, this is a similar kind of a top tunic, but the neck here is completely different. This is a U-neck, that was a V-neck, but here you can see there are like buttons here. So cute, and you can see there's a pattern given over here. So again, this is enhancing the tunic. It is not common, just like you see in the local markets. They just give you like buttons and that's it. No, this is different. You can see the detailing over here. It's similar to the earlier one, and it's so cute. Yeah, it has a flower print. My mom is sitting here, so she's guiding me. Even she's reviewing the tops, and she liked this one better, I think, compared to the whiter one. Yeah, she's nodding her head. Yeah, it looks cute. I mean, I'm not sure. This is not my type of color, but I don't know. After wearing it, it was actually looking cute. So I would suggest it for you to buy it and then see whether it suits you. For some people, it will suit, or some people it might not suit. So this is again a very cute top. I like it. Not suggested for summers. The material is similar for both the tops, so I would not suggest it for summers, although it's airy, it's flowy, so I can wear it. By the way guys, did you just notice my liner? It's actually a kajal. I applied a green kajal, the one which I got from like the Lakme event. People who saw the vlog, they know what happened. If you haven't watched, I'll link it over here and go watch it now. But yeah, this is again something which I have never done in my entire life. Never used any brown, green, blue, kajal liner, anything. I'm a black girl, but today I don't know how it is enhancing my overall makeup and everything. I like it. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I hope you like it, and let me know what else do you want to see in the coming vlogs. What kind of vlogs or hauls you want to see. I would love to do it. Maybe summer is starting soon, so should I do a summer outfit vlog under like 1000 or something, which can be helpful and beneficial for college going girlies or office girls or anyone, so let me know, and see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.